Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best leg elevation pillows on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Ebbing Leg Elevation Pillow. The Ebbing Leg Elevation Pillow is the perfect choice for anyone in need of relief from leg swelling, joint pain, and sciatica. This orthopedic pillow is designed to reduce edema, plantar fasciitis, and knee pain, making it the perfect addition to beds or couches for everyday use. The pillow is made out of high-density memory foam that retains its contour even with regular use. The pillow includes a removable and washable cover, making it easy to clean your couch or bed whenever you need to. An additional dust-proof and breathable cover can be purchased separately if desired. What we like about it: constructed out of high-density memory foam, provides relief from swelling and plantar fasciitis, can be used for various purposes. What we don't like about it: may not fully inflate after being unpacked. Number 2. Kolb's Leg Elevation Pillow. The Kolb's Leg Elevation Pillow offers unparalleled comfort to anyone who is looking for relief from medical conditions and ailments that can cause back pain, knee pain, varicose veins, and restless leg syndrome. This leg elevation pillow provides optimal positioning for a comfortable and relaxing slumber. Made of high-density foam and designed with a stylish checkered pillowcase, the pillow is highly supportive and comfortable. What we like about it: helps elevate the legs above the heart, improved circulation and alleviation of back pressure, comes with a luxurious pillowcase. What we don't like about it: may be too high for some. Number 3. Restorology Leg Elevation Pillow. Elevating your legs, especially while you're sleeping, encourages proper circulation and promotes the relief of common issues such as pregnancy discomfort as well as knee, leg, and foot pain. And the Restorology Leg Elevation Pillow is a fantastic choice for those looking for more comfort and support. Crafted with luxurious and supportive microfiber, this leg elevation pillow can easily accommodate all shapes and sizes at a supportive 45°. incline. What we like about it: the cover is machine washable, has non-slip grips. What we don't like about it: size may not work well for everyone. Number 4. All Set Health Leg Elevation Pillow. The All Set Leg Elevation Wedge Pillow is a great choice for those suffering from leg and hip pain. This innovative pillow provides an ideal way to improve circulation, reduce back or knee discomfort, and minimize the swelling of tired feet. The pillow is made out of high-quality memory foam that is both supportive and comfortable. The cover of the pillow is a plush gray material designed to be breathable and washable. What we like about it: made from high-density memory foam, ensures a comfortable, restful sleep. What we don't like about it: may have a terrible smell. Number 5. 5 Stars United Leg Elevation Pillow. The 5 Stars United Leg Elevation Pillow is the perfect solution for those in search of effective and comfortable positional body support. The unique semicircular shape provides numerous possibilities for supporting different parts of the body. For example, placing the bolster under the knees can help to offload the spine while reducing back pain. It also improves blood flow, prevents varicose veins, and offers general comfort. It is highly versatile, meaning it can be used in multiple ways. There are 4 possible positions where this pillow can be placed, including between the legs, under the lower back, under the knees and the legs. What we like about it: effective in positional body support, made from premium quality memory foam, perfect for back sleepers, relieve muscle and hip joint pains. What we don't like about it: comes folded in half. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.